right, fellas, it's another beautiful day out here, and it's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. Flying Old Glory for Father's Day. Of course, I fly Old Glory every day. So let's get in here, guys. I want to show you. I got a little bit done on the 56 Pro Street. Not a whole lot, but I got a chance to throw some paint on it. So I'm going to show you that. Let me turn my radio down here. All right, there we go. All right, guys, look here. I got the seat sitting in it. I'm doing a mock-up this morning, and I got the chassis all painted. You know, I painted it with this stainless steel finish, Seymour paint. Let me get that out of the way. And I got her all painted, and that's the stock fuel tank that came in the kit. And I put it up here on top, and I put that battery back there. And then I got thinking, well, you know what? I need to get me a regular fuel cell for back there. So I went online and I found me a fuel cell, and I found me a nice rocket shifter here. Let's see if I can show this the best way. Here's the fuel cells. You can see they have the inserts that go in there, so it makes it easy to paint. There's the piece that goes in there. Then here's the little fill cap that goes on top of that, and then here's the shifters. Those are some bad looking shifters, aren't they? I think they'll actually be this way in the car. Those look pretty cool. That's what's going to go in there. I just printed those out this morning. I got online this morning and looked up. I kind of really liked those fuel cells because they had the inserts where it makes it better for painting. And I'd already had those shifters put in my favorites box, so I went ahead and printed all that stuff out this morning. Turned out really nice. I got my hood scoop finished, did some final sanding on it, got it primed. It's not glued on, it's just sitting there because I still have to cut the hole in it there. And got some of the engine together. There's no detail work done yet, just some of the engines put together. I originally had the velocity stacks on there, but then realized daggone, those suckers might be a little too tall, so I pulled out the air cleaners, and I still have to paint the filament on those. And of course there's the wheelie bars that's going to go on. Haven't done anything with those yet. Let's take a look here. The chassis has been all painted. Those seats are just sitting in there. I'm just doing a mock-up. But I think she looked good. I like that color. I was thinking about maybe painting that row bar black, but you know what? I might just leave it that same color. I kind of like it the way it is. God, that's about all I got done, to tell you the truth. I just, you know what? I still do not know about a color. I need to pull the chrome out of the kit, you know, the chrome for the side, the trim, and see how well it fits and everything before I decide on a color. Because depending on whether that chrome trim fits good or not, it may not even go on, but I hope it does, because I want that to go on there. And daggone, I just need to lock down that color, get some paint thrown on that body. But kind of excited about getting this printed out this morning, so that's another step further, closer to the final on this bad boy. All right, guys, I'm done.